Hello, welcome to Chemistry Cubicle. So in this video, I will tell you that how can you prepare hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, of any given normality. Since we know that normality is given as gram equivalent of solute, which is divided by the volume of solution in liter. So in this formula, we have to put the weight of the solute in gram, but HCl is liquid. So we have its volume which is known to us, not the weight. So if we require to calculate the weight of any given liquid, then we have to multiply it with its specific gravity. Now let's see the procedure. The concentrated hydrochloric acid which is provided us in the laboratories has the strength of approximately 31 to 35%. And in case of 35%, it has 350 ml of HCl per 1000 ml of concentrated acid solution. Now, in the first step, we have to find out the weight of the HCl which is present in 1000 ml of concentrated acid solution. Hence, we have to multiply it with its specific gravity. And the specific gravity for HCl at room temperature is 1.1789, that is 350 into 1.1789, which comes out to be 412.615 gram. So this means 350 ml of HCl which is present in 1 liter of solution is equal to 412.615 gram. That is, its weight is more than its volume, which means HCl is heavier. Now, in the second step, we have to find out the number of moles of HCl which is present in 1000 ml of concentrated acid solution. Since we know that number of moles is equal to the weight of the substance in gram divided by the molecular weight. So we have number of moles is equal to 412.615 gram, which is divided by the molecular weight of HCl, which is 36.5. Hence, the number of moles comes out to be 11.3. Or we can simply say that the concentrated HCl which has 35% of strength has the molarity 11.3. Now, in the third step, convert the molarity into normality by using the following formula. Normality is equal to N into molarity, where N is equal to equivalence factor, and in case of the acid, the equivalence factor, that is N, will be the basicity of that acid, and basicity is known as the number of H plus ions which are replaceable from the acid. So for the HCl, it has its basicity 1 because it has only one H plus ion which is replaceable. Hence, the equivalence factor, that is N, comes out to be 1. Now, putting the value of equivalence factor and molarity of HCl in the above relation, thus we have normality is equal to equivalence factor, which is 1 in case of HCl, multiplied by the molarity, which is 11.3. Hence, normality comes out to be 11.3. Now, This number is very important and you should learn this value, that is 11.3. And you should always remember that the HCl which is provided in our laboratories has the normality 11.3, so that you don't have to do the about ID calculation every time. Now, in the last step, we have to find out the volume of HCl which is required to prepare the desired normal solution of HCl by using the formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Now let's suppose we have to make 0.5 normal HCl in 500 ml of water. Thus, we have N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is equal to normality of HCl, from which we have to make 0.5 normal HCl. So in this case, N1 will be 11.3, where N2 is equal to normality of the solution which we want to prepare. So in this case, N2 will be 0.5. Now, V1 is equal to volume of 11.3 normal HCl which is required to make 0.5 normal of HCl. And we have to find out this volume V1, where V2 is equal to the volume of the solvent in which we have to make the solution. And in this case, V2 will be 500 ml. Now, putting all these values in above relation, we get N1 which is 11.3 into V1, which we have to calculate, is equal to N2 which is 0.5 into V2 which is 500 ml. Hence, V1 comes out to be 0.5 into 500, which is divided by 11.3. Hence, V1 comes out to be 22.12 ml. Hence, for making 500 ml of 0.5 normal HCl, we require 22.12 ml of HCl, which is provided in our laboratories, and then we dilute this with solvent, that is water, up to 500 ml. So we are done with 0.5 normal HCl in 500 ml of water. So with the help of this formula, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2, we can easily make HCl with any given normality. Now let's suppose we have to make hydrochloric acid of 1 normal of HCl in 1 liter. Hence, we can easily find out the volume V1 which we require to make 1 liter of 1 normal HCl solution. Hence, we have N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is equal to 11.3 into V1, which we have to calculate, is equal to N2, which is 1 into V2, which is 1000 ml. Hence, V1 comes out to be 88.49 ml. Hence, for making 1 liter of 1 normal HCl, we require 88.49 ml of HCl, and then we dilute this with water up to 1 liter. So, this is how you make hydrochloric acid of any given normality. I hope you all must have understood the topic well. And if you like this video, then please do comment, like and share this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.